At Utilita Bowl, every match counts, every event counts, and every spectator counts.
Whether it's a match day or event day, we're entrusted with something much more important, your safety.
That's why we're proud to announce a brand new partnership with 2CL Communications. 2CL will be providing cutting-edge CCTV, access control and radio communications to every corner of our stadium.
Working with Beth and the safety team here at Utilita has been nothing short of amazing. Very forward-thinking, and the customers always at the forefront of their minds.
Behind every unforgettable experience is a security system that's working tirelessly, quietly, all around the clock.
Having installed a brand new Motorola TurboNet radio system, and access CCTV and access control, we now have the partnership which will last 3 years for us to be able to build and better the systems that we've already got in place.
Their dedication to service means that we are never alone in our commitment to your safety and experience.
Not only is the customer safety the #1 priority, but now the customer experience.
When our safety systems operate silently in the background, your focus stays on the sport, the events, the moment.